Good morning. Good morning, Ghana. We are marching through our classes. Owusu Bempah, answer obeshe no invite. Good morning. Where your morning. We are friend anopa. Momrana yenin kom mama say momra so sabre bi mon sorry ye what ma say mo ama sorry no momra na yenin komo ma say enema bi e cost so e was social on the media momra na yenin komo momra na yenin komo kakra
me come obia tiebi obia ti Ghana I ko Owusu Bempah so bless Ghana do kra npa papa no trofo na se nyakopo ma me hu se Owusu Bempah nya no kwafo onya dwuma ma no osimo ja mu ye dwuma no bronsam ori do dia ko di feni mu so no kasa ya tro nyina ja na dwuma na mo ye say we are so na ba chu Owusu Bempah dia me kwa me didi ni da oyokofo mutio say we are so na ba chu Owusu Bempah dia me kwa me didi ni da say I come last say ya se ka chu me say me Owusu Bempah ni na me nyanka me mena committee because me chu Owusu Bempah dia me kwa me ka pracho afi di ni mo da ho eni mo ada ho ndi me bo bia o be papa no me bo kokko dan fi ni time me come obia tiebi obia ti Ghana I ko Owusu Bempah so bless Ghana do kra nko papa no trofo me come obia tiebi obia ti Ghana I ko Owusu Bempah so bless Ghana do me come obia tiebi obia ti Ghana I ko Owusu Bempah so bless Ghana do kra nko papa no trofo na se nyakopo ma me hu se Owusu Bempah nya no kwafo onye dwuma ma no osimo ja mu ye dwuma no bronsam ori do dia ko di feni mu so no kasa ya
oba so na wa share video no ama me no wa tag no wa invite say ama me mobia good morning about 10 o'clock e wo Ghana sabre me shas America phone be sorry here it's oba so na wa share na wa invite say and say eniama bi e koso e wo media no eso that is why I am here this morning to oba so na wa share no wa invite say no wa tag wo mo Monfre abozege fans emame na montage wo mo so sorry free ni kata so na video no wanya bi ahye timi pa mo chow mo ama sorry na mo am Ghana for no ose mama you are best me da say oba so we ayado po tutu bi tools wonu gu mi ho ana me se kere na memra kere ma dwen dia emu odene it's oba so ose mama part please build and be careful. They want you to use your church to bring you down. Obedient me use me church. Obedient me use me church. Me can't crack actually mo. Share video no na yeni komo. Hey. Share video no na yeni komo. Me say awiye brei asori ereni asori ejidin asori ewiase nyina ni wom a heavyweight champion. And no waste for that. Oba so share the invite. Mo share ni sa Mon share na mundu 500. Na ye nkoye nim, na ye ni nkomo, na ye nchire pusemu akese anopai. Anopai. Everybody, mon share. Na ye ni nkomo. I also we love you, mommy. Also, Mama Pat, I miss you. I miss you too. That's why me once ye. Me once ye. Open kwa. Ubet me aba camera mu anopa 222 without makeup. Oh sorry ya open so you be good. Wash our tade. I am not one skincare. I'm more West House small. I also good morning, Canada, Mama Pat. What happened again? They are happening. Me bag a cat. Mon video no emfa emame ade anche ade o se Owusu Bempah enugwase enyo abusu amofa ncha me why na say Ghana network ne de yenim ne ekọ uyusu wifi aboy uyusu wa internet nso aboy mama nyi wifi ne mfree mu okay obaso amon share na yenko mon share na yenko Mon share or some of my part forget about mon share na yenko. What am I say? Share this share. Hey, Mrs. Share no yadeng. Share. Also they are evil people. And we are evil man. May obi to be my evil woman so. Because evil na kasa. And I better one. So if you are evil, you can't bring your evil to my rank. My idea moko 400. Mon share na yenu 500 na yenko. UK Zoom Lion. Mehu waha. Mehu obibia ewa. Mon share na yendu 500. Na yeni enkomo. Mon yede mo. Mon tag o maybe mon sorry but anyway. Mon tag o mo na yenko. Mon
Dear Tibi, Obi out the Ghana. I'll go Owusu Bempah from this Galito crap. Papa no truthful. Nothing you put for me. Why are you Owusu Bempah? When you mama. Or someone can we a woman no Bransam or do dear different move. So no Casaya draw. Nyaja. The children are say you are so never choose the baby make woman didn't need that or your Mutio say we are so never choose the baby make woman didn't need that. Say I come last say you sit out to me. Say you Owusu Bempah in American community because me Owusu Bempah me go here. Me can't patch up. I feel you want the hole. Any more at the hole. Until me pop ya Papa no me pop dancing in time. Me come or be a TV or be out the Ghana. I'll go Owusu Bempah from this Galito crap. Papa no. But the amount of 400, one say I can't pay 100. More from him. I'll go Owusu Bempah from this Galito crap. Monsieur Bempah from this Galito crap. Papa no truthful. Me come or be a TV or be out the Ghana. I am the annual for Dr. Isaac Owusu.
Say na yenko yenim. We yanche me kwa juma. To me born quick. Not your call. Obia ya semo. Say the Ghana day. A some for the internet. A very. Abusu afo mama yenko yenim. Mama yenko yenim was we pay money to. Mama yenko yenim was we pay money to any untie. I don't pay me kodenya na ya busia for me want to say me mama good morning. Me kodaya na me sorry ya. Anunsuo bobo mouth apeche anchi kwasi ampeni no. Hey, mami ngege, we are very shameful people. We are nimgu asefo and you have even exposed Owusu Bempah. Natina, you have exposed Owusu Bempah. Mama, we are saying, you know, some money pre heavyweight champion. Hey, now what you $500 for covenant seed? Now, yes, every day. I will see for me say, me koda solia no papi anope ya video bin in na mi phone so. Video bin in na mi phone so. Na ya de tag me. Ghana need agrada momo love no eso emame. Now the video need tag me. Also, my one and only lover. Yeah, the video they tag me. And I'm saying, now then on the phone, I get pra. Now where the Sunday, now where the Sunday, I'm saying, what is going on the social and the media? And as you know, I am the queen of the media. So let me go and check the video. And I'm a bo video back on the so. Me bo video no swat. Abamu be or yes some undertaking cover. And my can't mo. Mama meji we any mo nyamo mama want to summon a mobile yes I do way because mo when yamo ye. Abraham said they knew my way. O reverend solid chichaniema. And I am not ashamed of whatever has come out. May catch them. I am not ashamed of whatever has come out. Me plain. Before me be yo. That is why I don't have secrets. Exactly. Me plain. I am very truthful person. So I don't hide anything about myself. Me, I don't fake. And what's the matter? Catch them say. Me, when you come to my church, you pay a consultation. With the budget counseling fee. Now what Jimmy? I saw the better counseling. Young Niska. Yeah. Natina. I saw the bank. Also, when you brag, you also been passing you go. So Owusu Bempah scan ni biam. Covenant seed a go. Counseling fee a go. Obi wo problem not charging a on chia. It's what say heavyweight champion. Yan uba asole ho. Your family be life say you will pay 50 cedis. It will cry 100 cedis so. Owusu Bempah yan consultation at 100 cedis so. Now ya tiswa be 50. Now ya tiswa ko 20. What must say? And to say okofa obi say amuna me video masole. Now all interview also for 1 cake. Now mo farmer to social media where a childless. A young classism. This thing shows clear say when you bring me, Owusu Bempah when you mo guase. Owusu Bempah when Jimmy papa, see a answer. Now you're bema when Jimmy papa. So to was solifie. Anti covenant seed $500. Kwasiam penny. A radina. I saw the crowd for me as I am yesterday. Obimlania Mompaya Mano Kakano with the $500. Owusu Bempah. Also, you're crossing. Also, wedge me. Also, you're too far winty. Kasam class the same way. I was so my say. Yama chamen solid. Yama trap me. Yama video me. Owusu Bempah kawinyo. Also, this thing I show you clear say. G&G for Jumano on your money. And they are G&G for Chiwam. Also, Mwanga Samaya Madiama, I expose Kwasia or Jale for Owusu Bempah the Sunni Faswa. The Genchie. I wouldn't hear Busia or Numpo. Was obeying hands on you. I was a utia $500 for Owusu Bempah ordering sakes. Abatoso and Lumian Sano, a showing Sano, 2 Sano, and Sano Yawa my channel. So the Batoso, Abon Payamano, you pay $500. For the Charles covenant seed. For the Mami Chemu covenant seed. For Nekra new covenant seed. You have to pay $500. Now be a bameme masole. Now me chill at my make I need 50 cities in your geo. Markets na mu promote markets in a year. Video na mo be chana mu promote no. Mu promote video ni ye. Natina because I don't take 50 cedis. 100 cedis. And I'm in for consultation. I'm telling you. And I am not the only church. I'm in consultation. Ajamoni breme. Ajamoni shrame. Asoli no sika wom ajabi diska. I am yo. Kwasia. Dabio. Na mo fo se asoli na mesi ni chapene si hono. Kame kotsena mo mitina mo sapan. Mitramu sapayo. Mi disika ankasa. Laja. Mi disika ankasa. And the video na modi abato abonte. Point of correction. I don't take 50 cedis for consultation. I take 100 cedis for consultation. Me 100 no one do baby. Now one of my body needs scan my 50 cedis. Before you see me at the counseling room. Oh yes, of course. Oh yes, of course. And I am so when you are coming to heavyweight champion, international ministry, and you want to see me for counseling, you pay 100 cedis. So point of correction, it's not 50 cedis. The pacho, mumegumija, hey, mumegumija, mumegumija, me pamochao, and you 50 cedis. Video no, baby amunya ya mo de ba no, na ya accesso, sabra ni accesso, na ya ba form, na ya accesso. Enti na munya asa 50 cedis no. Enti na munya also for 1 gig video 50 cedis no. Sabra no ma dan na ma accesso. By the rate for you to see me at the counseling room is 100 cedis. It's 100 cedis. It's emotional so. I was a cash prophetess. Share. Omo person omo sa anwegu mi galimu. Omo person omo sa anwegu mi galimu me pamo chao. Enya 50 cedis. Engege natina abua Owusu Bempah ne wosire twam. Ono kura $500. Owusu Bempah ane wosire twam na obodi tirim twantro hyehyɛ president phone com. Ono kura $500 kwasia me 50 cedis coin. Me pa cho me megumida. I 100 cedis. Before you see me, you pay 100 cedis, you take your card, and you come and see me at the counseling room. And every pastor take money before you see them. This is not news. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You are trying to promote me and promote me very well. But mamu me yeno because some video na mo dia babon say uko mu maame no a uji 50 cedis me pa cho mu begumika. Mamu nye makwasie da wei wodo mo be salai e metua 50 cedis ay 100. Ay 100 cedis you pay before you take your ticket to come and see me at the counseling. And if you don't have problem, it's not need to come and see me at the counseling room. But anyone who have a problem want to see me at the counseling room, you pay 100 cedis. And chakrami betum, I mean, they have 500 Ghana cedis. Kwasia, and I was yara help. Natina, engage. Owusu Bempah kwasia penny koshini, or just $500. Or just $500. Or the crowd for winning pono. Now, maybe 100 cedis is fee, me 50 cedis is fee, and when you bring me, oh, when you brought dear to N, Owusu Bempah, hey, Apache, Judas Enchi, Aboboya, Kwasia baby, I am a businesswoman. Mammy Gage, me true na me discount. I am a very businesswoman. When you brought dear to Owusu Bempah $500. Now maybe 100 cedis, 50 cedis, and also musu. Matimiya be chawo ya be to social media. Ghana Fonya Dine promotes it for me. Because and the reason why I am here, I am here to tell you, say, it is not 50 cedis that I take. I take 100 cedis for consultation fee. Meji 100 cedis. Mume gumija. Mume temi posu so. Mama same market and you 50 cedis. Because the amuye consider omo mbe wumi nyina no. Omega say hi, you social media, you say 50 cedis dabi, patrol 100. What must say? Money briade na mo ya pay for, Owusu Bempah mo ya pay for. Also we are saying na money briade o. Mama we are saying na money briade. Chedi and somo. Obi dia fia ketewa bi e wonya no Owusu Bempah me se me di watam kosisi wiase ba sai me ka kirawo a police from pedifo na wo de begging nam ho no me tie and now no pay I received some of the calls and I decided say wo ka me maloma ba wo ye chimi fo kwasiam pedi sofo wo ni chance Owusu Bempah wo ma me twam wo ya boa kromfo sofo aboa wo di hand $500. Owusu Bempah, you take $500 from counseling. Oh, maame chawate. Eno pokua ni chasiri abua. Owusu Bempah, wonko na odidi eyo. Kwasiampani a wonto asase, kwasiampani a wonto prot, ojegenchie a wonsi asole dan. Wonpo, you need money. I will be say bompaya manwa. You take $500 for the covenant seed na kuno. O mama check covenant seed. O papa true covenant seed. Owusu Bempah, when you say she ate kwasia na woni bra de sa. Wo $500 and me mani mirio. Owusu Bempah, wo $500 na wo je no. Me mani mere. Me di alata foja. Me di alata foja. Sope. Yes. Kwasia. Wa wunti skansia solid dai me nyame. Wo kwa wo de $500. Wa wo spend this skansia solid dai me nyame. Wo de $500. Owusu Bempah. And it's a me. Ma kwama solid fee na ma je me counseling fee. Also many you. Also, you are trying to do anything, but and then and that I suppose mama who say when you bring heavy weight, when you bring solid, when you bring mama part, I'm good shine. What you doing? $500 for counseling, for consultation. Kwasia, who crap on the point to me for your knee, and what you want to see a brochure. Now, when you do music, Owusu Bempah, you take $500 before you pray for them. And son wa bompire at the amount a good shine. Now, maybe to my solifie, obi the pesca koye juma, obi here spiritual problem, obi here problem. Now, we babe hume. Now, we ube chia 100 cities. Marco fan videos, and I'll bet you any 50 cities. Me catch them. I don't take 50 cities. I take 100 cities. A group maybe first batch 100 cities. Second batch 50 cities. Now about 20 cities. Cleansing now, for consultation. Cleansing now, I take it. I don't give small money. Chance. Now maybe yama solia. Owusu Bempah. Now what sumo bisa amra me trama solid them. Me nwe mo. Owusu Bempah. Me nwe mo. Et you will say, me ni kai. I me be sumo wo bisa amra wa sorry. E me chicha wa sorry. I be ready o Owusu Bempah. I don't think about you. Mo bro, mo pretty. Na me enjoy. Mo pretty me enjoy. Mo pretty me feel it. Mo pretty la jam kodi. And then you hear me. Wazana what you for $500 no. For see a solid diamond yame. Pasam penny jegenchie koshini satuni Owusu Bempah. Who decide she be somewhere we are? No matter police station. Hey, me catch them. I am ready for everything. Only chasiri. Kwasia who kwaje $500 for covenant seed. Now we are by me solid no about 50 cents. For counseling fee, a boy any croma, aye, or take a me, counseling, what say? So for Bakuno Mokwaji or aye, what say? Bakuno Jawa wine. Or Jabba, or just saying, how many dollars, Noje, on the call for when you know? Or Jabba, or just saying, for when you know? Mama make check. Owusu Bempah, Mama make check 2,000, what's it? What you shimmy for Papa, and another minute was Owusu Bempah, which shimmy, sir. I don't know your penny what she be saying. So to me a small be about me my son. I be chatty a cosso. And ya come out with progress. Owusu Bempah. Me also mama parts. Ozerain. Come for 50 Ozerain. What must say? What me a small be so me my son. Every video and investigate. Hey, whole secrets in you. Heavyweight secrets don't they there. Yeah, secret. I came out to say it. If you want to see me for spiritual problem, you pay your counseling and take your counseling card before you see me. And this is not fraud, and this is not news. wenti what to nipa abama solifie also mama 50 cities is not nothing. Oh, but yes, when you go to Roman, you do what Romans do. We buy a 100% what they cancel, you pay 100 cedis. Now you have to swap 50 cedis. Oh yes, because we need money and we are not there to joke. We are not there to joke. And we are not the only church that take consultation from the congregation. What was here? Now what someone can say, I may interview so for 1 gig. Now I'm chicha video no more for my channel. Mama me chim go wame. Owusu Bempah. Oh mama chim go wame. I told mama chim pini. When shimi papa. When you crashing, you are quasi penny. Owusu Bempah. Me ne wo kila numa no pay. So when you black dear. Now one jail ho. Now to me tina wo my gun and more to any semi so. Mwa yo jai Owusu Bempah tem di no. Why would he chimney a watch me? Why would he chimney a watch me? Some me to my solid them. Now what to our solid them? Now me, I don't care whatever you are doing at your church. Now my first move by Kawena Bumi Mabam. Me. My first move by your way. I have a video way. Now Bumi Mabam. Me I draw parts. Hey, me I draw parts. Promote it for me. Promote it for me. Me catch them. I don't take 50 cedis. I take 100 cedis. And if you don't know, yeah, no, or no power mantam, or buy any at a price and so. Oh yes. Or say, Mama, I really love you so much. You need to take more than Now me must see a solid for fair way. Now me do consultation. 100 cedis, 50 cedis. Where your news? I want the video with Yaba 12 Wait. Is it a news? When you cross the phone, when you brap here, now move woo. I want Bram answer you. Owusu Bempah, me say any brebe coon, I want ya be coon, any bram home, what the one any bram home coon. When you brap here to do, when you want ya to do. Also, my pastor take 250. Okay, and you know what I'm a bit 1,000 cedis. A people just I'm a decimal yes young said me fear one boy thing. I'm a decimal yes young said me fear her, and why you don't come me. A honey boy day, and why you don't come me. Me then I said some of my gun of when you know who say, oh, Sagra that's for our consultation for 4. I have for 4 50 cedis. I collect me GB, open it to me GB. Her 100 cedis. I have VIP for almost 100 cedis. And in a thing that Jimmy Focus and Penya Boy Jaye, crossing your Wunya Juma. Now, but the Seattle Ghana Bobra, Nayoya, and Atina, what's your solia managu? Ayo, ye dijao, ye dijao. Natina, ye dijao, Anuso, ye dijao. Kwasiam penny apeche, ye dijao. What's your solid be no good? Ye dijao. Consultation, ye dijao. It's calculating. Calculating said you put 200. And I consultation. And you're saying, ye dijao. Also, my pastor taking 200 Ghana. And I go for church or no. And I go for church or no. Natina, ye dijao. Ye dijao. And you'll be the catch us at sorry. Then you quite say for 2 console. Edi ma solinimu. Na ye di jaw e ye di bra. Ye di jaw ye so ya no jaw. Hey, 100 cedis, 50 cedis. Owusu Bempah $10. Ebi mo di 1,000, ebi mo di 2,000. Na tina ye di jaw. Kwasi ampeni a wode wa apostle atofam adani puetwa aboa kasabre ka wodi consultation ni bio. Yeah. Hey, apete me say kasabre ka wodi consultation ni bi. Nyame juma when ya shekra your consultation fee. Yeah. Me say nyame juma emude onyame na juma wo bre wo enso da bi ye bedi me say mude Me say when ya shake your consultation fee. Yay! Abua me catch you say the check. Emma was solid mu. Me na me catch you say the check man was solid emu. And I only pay you mukuma solid. I would have it. It's mutsana say. Na mu calculate. Na mu say na branch yes consultation ye 50 cedis. Ono pra so. Enye 50. Enye 100. It is will be 100 cedis. Kwada me nya nipa be because a day it's me canceling. And nipa be 500 a day. Me it's me canceling manebo and I do 1 o'clock. Midnight, 12 o'clock, midnight. Na me canceling. Because be 200 cedis or pursue who me. I was some tenant na me channel. Me 100 cedis and 50 cedis and you to count for in your home. There be. I was saying no. Yes, let me see an assam. And it's 500 a day. Check it. Yeah. Abua. Now I'm for say sorry dance for fair way. Hey. Nyame shirami o. Nyame shirame. Nyame. I say I swear. Nyame shirame. Eti I am say muko fa video way and I'm marry. Oh, na say video no mo de buy no. Enye obodan fo na di me. Say e buy no obodan fo di me twe. Eno na ye news. Mo ba sole won ye twa nipa ti a. Eno na ye news. Mo ba ni ye nyama boni. Eno na ye news. By me chat counseling. E interview also for 1 gig. Now catch us say counseling fee no. E 50 and the crowd ya pon o. It's also for 1 gig it says so no. Na ya pon. I say, can't you guys leave this beautiful lady? Me say, Owusu Bempah to me in jam life, mami o. Because what permanent panel. Owusu Bempah will cut ye juma, or cut ye woo. What I say, Bema will bar so more cut into me in soleno. Me pecot ye woo, me pecot den. Owusu Bempah cut peche, to say cocoa. What I say, it is like Owusu Bempah admire me. Na onyame ankobe dwem die mu odene ka che maame ne se me drono Owusu Bempah me mpel kapre I say o covenant seed no fa bi ko China na koye o kwoti ho adwuma before you come also probably no mpewa no time no sa chimie yo Owusu Bempah wo betwitwa video de koma o bloggers sa o bloggers mfa megimi no nyansa sambe ne wo wem Nyansa die ben ene wo we oh yes as also for akoti ewu ya do kwan ben ma bia oyamadi oba we me ni oba we akoda bia ne koti nya dwuma ne koti ewu Owusu Bempah koti ewu ne koti nya dwuma ana ben ma koti ewu bia wo ni feelings ben ma wo ni feelings bia so ni ehumobro eya no Owusu Bempah ti bi de koti ewu la twem na wani oba che e wa bra ne ho ba na wa feel sene oben ma ho ba etia ko Owusu Bempah no my Ghana mu eni nkwase asem sei ukoka ono ne won panimfo na ogyimifo tetentwie Owusu Bempah asesa krofo ba memema sore abeye video e de akoma ne bloggers na memema kama no watu mo amutumi fo no na memema kama no watu wa na makama no watu so tetentwie osatuni sa dwebe matse Owusu Bempah Bema woni kwati nye dwuma no wawo Bema woni ba. Bema won moda ne ba kei ba ko pe ye di be share no. Aboa we se nipa be guma sore. Ebe video consultation at the command bloggers. Ema the bloggers the be media no so trying to tarnish me, but it is rather going to promote my church. It is rather going to promote my church. Eh, mo de akoto Ghana web me efa me ho. Ghana web to duane mami ni. Mo pamfa go to BBC to duane mami ni. I am not a brochure citizen. I am a citizen of Ghana. And this is not a crime. For someone to take a 50 cedis for consultation is not a crime. Mo dey say die hu mo ani. Offering quiet to make mama did damn crime. So we are ready for everything. We are ready for everything. We don't motherfucker afraid of anything. I'm telling you people. Kwasi out to us solid them will be for the new what $500 for consultation. Say o me TV so. Now when you jobri when you when you turn time say the ya near bow, ya tabo, Owusu Bempah. The parliament on TV so. Now on $500. Me wa kwasia. Na obi be jira obi asori dem be 50 cedis. Wa so ma se me video. Na ya fan koma netina. Ya fan koma ngege minimum nu. Mama say me jaw, na 50 cedis. Aye 100 cedis. Aye 100 cedis. Mo say me da. And let me come back to consultation room. Consultation room hono. Abrante and crown, yes, pen. Because if you have a spiritual problem, you pay 4,000 Ghana cedis. If you have a spiritual problem, you pay 4,000 Ghana cedis. And Asiama even charged the guy 200 cedis. Asiama even tell the guy to bring 200 cedis. Now, Moamoshe se obiaba asori. Abraham wabusumfie no spiritual work 4,000, 40 million, and I'll bet you. So was soon problem. Oba say yes soon muniama, and then I'll bet you 40 million. Oh yes. Oba you 40 million. By say what by nyami fie? What spiritual power? Abraham said better was he has spiritual power. Now the spiritual power. Now a siama charge you 200 cedis. Who's my video way? And they are got one thing. Was a boy. Now was that spiritual power in the 2 million. Some of them yes kagali. And why don't you prove any video? I mean yes kagali. Yami ne chiaboka. Yami and ne chiaboka. And ka video de buy no. And ka sikagali. Kron. Na me recite. Na sikale ba. Yes, hey, mumere video. My many na yes kagali no. But you rather the enyema. And what I sorry ho. Any secret. Any secret. When you come for spiritual problem, you pay before we do the work for you. You pay. Hey, there's a media sikarma minyibi wow. Hey, everyday. That's media sikarma minyibi. Owusu Bempah $500. Every month 1,000. Every month minimum minyibi wow. Me am sia solid na yama nyame ma minyibi. Sha. Ha. Ma bora ma me papa. Mo bora ma me papa. Money bradio. Enye dan ka bi musabu ye ni brefo. Me mani bradio. Me. I also is simple as me mani bradio. Na me ti we na yesu moja wa yere kweton say. Yesu moja wa yere. E ton say. Aye 20 cedis. At me ma wow. The sometimes me ye bibia me never to amonten. I said the bia me ye bibia me never to amonten. Sanka mi disie ye. Some toshe. And the video be appear. And I said, moment yo, maame no, also on toshe, mama or tom bibi, and no news. But everything about me is outside. And you must say it's a me secret, no. Say your trebino, you take it as a secret. No. So I came out to tell people, say, maybe you moja your tongue, and you're 20 cedis. And conswa who are these and you're 10 cedis. Omo top papa. Omo top pa. What back counseling? And you're 100 cedis. A bit day 50. A bit day 100. What am I saying? Sound some way that you can't TV no so. You're fancy and you news. And when you come and meet me at the counseling room, and you have a spiritual problem, you will pay before I do that work for you. And there are facts. You will pay before I do the spiritual work for you. But if you want me to help you in financial, say be who pay 2 million, who pay 3 million, and not there, it's from my heart. And I dash you and give you for free. But spiritual work, mama, you pay. And it depends your problem. It's how deep you're not going to be childless. Aye, Jimmy. Also, it is not new. What was here? It is not new. But I am a day. Someone ma confirm. I'm a Ghana for who say, me a common name, Yami Gusu Shrame. Nyame eguso eshrame. Etimunya ni breno. Mwani bradie. Owusu Bempah, we ye ni brefo. Natina, we ye ni brefo. Judas apeche anchi. We ye ni brefo. Was it bam? I support you when this pa. I received email yesterday. Still reminding me to come pay my covenant seed. For people to come and pay covenant seed. Dabio, na Owusu Bempah kwento ye nipa. Moja woni mu, odwen, onimiyansa. It's in the bloggers no mudi na chino. Are they sensible? Mo papa bokro no bonkrofu po jinipa $500 for covenant seed. Now, once me have the trouble with video, I will not do consultation, 50 cedis. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourself? As NNN is making fun, are you not ashamed of yourself? Oh no. Mama, what the hell? Mama, you are saying someone. And I'm telling you people, I'm not there for joke. If you come to my church, you need a donation, you receive the donation. You want me to help you, you will receive it. But when it comes to spiritual things, you will pay. When it comes to spiritually, you will pay. When it comes to you want to see me, you will pay and take your counseling card. What must I say? By the reason why I am here, no, mamungu jano, then you 50 cedis. Their consultation is 100 cedis. Mamungu no. Also beginning, I say we register. Enemy jai. I say agra all the way. Oh yes. Beginning, no, me catch them say you will pay 300 Ghana cedis before you become a member of the church. And I know some refi. Ajabu bridi. Any brede kum say, Owusu Bempah be wo. Any brede kum. I said, don't mind any idiots. What must I say? She eskakesi aso for edge. I said, I paid 10 million old currency to one pastor in Ghana. I was supposed to only 2 minutes. I see a Jimmy for now. Now I do consultation 50 cedis. I need a spiritual thing. Me beside said you need help from us. Mami mo video no. Minya kakra meba. Do you need a spiritual help from us? I say no. I need. I say I love this woman. Share. I see the man was mobile video way. I be breaking me. Now me tia solid them I say me di agro. Wo ba betua consultation. Wo ba beto Yesu moja. Wo beto nsira nsuo nkwansuo. Beto Yesu moja. You pay your consultation before you see me at the counseling. Donation in your congregation and everybody receives some of the donation. But if you want to see me personally for private, you pay before you see me. I said don't mind them because the oil they buy in po. You two go and buy before exactly. Me cry media. Me oil na ejidi for there. And no more my 20 Ghana, 20 Ghana, 20 Ghana. And the ye juma. To me yobia. Come the buy and come so be the back to so. But me if I been to so. Send ye juma ninti. And I me ama check. And I me there bra and sorry mano. Send ye oko jidi for her. Sanity eh. It's a me if I been got to so. Oko jidi for sorry a 20 cedis. Sa no mo tono. And I me ma Toby pen. A ye juma mame. A boame. And I ma ko jidi abegu ma sorry. And I will ban out baby and what to me. Send your money 20 or did for at the same time. I thought that Kwame to be iska, no matter, no me teacher Solomon, because it works for them. It's a woman of the consultation 50 cedis aquasia. Owusu Bempah one more brand me a juma. Any workers or chioka. Jiska, the man progress. kwasiam penny so for we etua $1,000 e many pedes and se kokon aboa onu kwa woni de this guy onu mpo or say you will be or say we will vote for you 2024. What was here? Mama yenti omukwasia audio no. Mama yenti omukwasia audio no. Mani nwu ade okronfo dubachi de otwetuo no. Ono kwa na sori dem o di consultation fee. Okronfo we. Say na mo de beba de anyine beto yehu agum o. Say na mo de beba ye nyine beto yehu agum. Na ye the video of Owusu Bempah ehwa e de beba. Asia boni musi ebe expose mutubuni na police station. And on the video bi ba and I will track me. So the video beba and I will track me. So the manum sa beba and I money na ma police phone penifo. Eso Owusu Bempah. Wo wi anu betre ofie na wujimi. Sa wa jimi ya osumo obi be video ade we. Come our bloggers. Sa jimi ya obi jimi ye. E fa so obi ye ni so. Wa sa ama anopotutu tuma be di watam. Because what jimi? Some class some ya mo be ye fa so be na we so. I will be a bass solid video and I was consultation 50 cents 89. Would you $500? Now maybe 50 cents. What do you bring? Oh, when you brand get to do also Bempah giant brand and the brand is too much. It's too much. $500 when you saw now will be 50 cents. I want GNO. I want you bring. Oh no. Mommy and team.
You actually need her. To talk to her, you have to pay 50 cedis. I kid you not, 50 cedis. To meet a religious leader, you have to pay 50 cedis. What is this? Spiritual. Sometimes spiritual. Most of the time it's physical, but sometimes it's
50 cities, no. Someone say, also for 1 gig, catch and say, I say, a grant don't give small money chance. Where do you want now 50 cities, and nipa 200 as I 100 cities, and nipa 500 as I. Maybe I made a minimum scapel. Make one kwa J $500. Our brain nipa do want to mean chill. Debbie. This video where I'm a baby video so for 1 gig, you know. I'm on the aqua media or so. Where the other I say, where the other was it? This is not even news. The guy came with a problem, and should him you came with a problem. What your counseling fee? 50 cedis. One man who problem no. Me say I will take 200 cedis before I will do for you. Where are your news? Where are your chrono? Where are your day? I'm a better way. I'm a trouble saying. Owusu Bempah be woo na heavyweight champion at your say. Make xtra when you bring money and when you bring bread when you miss who be woo na asafonisi make xtra. This is not news. Obiaba ba sole. Now I be canceling. Now what be home? Now mutie.
to actually meet her, to talk to her, you have to pay 50 cedis. I kid you not, 50 cedis to meet.
Emi desa one me chantro. Emi desa one me chantro. What I say? Now what kind of crap say you have to pay 50 cedis. Obu akwa kon kan kure. Obu akya asuma na obetua 50 cedis no. Ko be buska kese. By me say Ewurade away na Jesus will vindicate me no. God will vindicate me until I die. And then if you say you know who say agrada ho kwa e 50 cedis. Who problem e 20 cedis. Kara say me ye premeni. Na me see asole dan shepe. Ebi mu cry o ma Jesus be $. Ebi mu yo ma Jesus be yiska kase enti omo ma and that doesn't matter. E ya fofofo enti kwasie da mumna megum say choboy. I said that NN followers are so foolish to bring this. Look at all this is. Me video, I am in a bar, me camper. I will never promote it. Because it rather vindicates the person. Also, they want to disgrace you. Oh, in fact, men upon all handcuff and woman wants you. Me adie be gu mani mu ase. Ene so be hu se me video abeda bonten na bodamfo edi me twe. Eno na ye niwu. Me adie be ye niwu se video be ba bonten. Na bodamfo na edi me twe. Ene ye niwu. By se video pie na be ma wo ye nipa edi me twe kra me enye ma niwu. Me catch now. Also we will come. Munyina momra na ya for me $1 ne bo anya den we de omo vindicate me yenti on say sa ne ma say nti na edru ba bia na me ne osofo 1 gig bitu omofo a no mu nti a e ma me bufu ya be sesa o position na enipa bi nti ase enie and also when you that's what video I have warned you people say obi ba asoria. Don't talk to them personally. Let everybody sit down. If anybody have problem, let the person come to me. And I wouldn't win with that one, you know. And I wouldn't win him at that one, you know. Sometimes when I'm here, fraud, so what children colano, ethics me. I am almost for say, oh how. I am almost for oh how. Quabrana bebano, or before so. A twakalo, no be sound some, no, me won't be never no some. Me, you can't get me. Also, by what when you does know. And by no, when you does know. I had give you a criminal offense. I wouldn't when you does know. Me, but even as well. Maybe come up woman with you. Wouldn't when you does know. Tis a moment I saw Frank to an thought that you too for. Near catch them say, Obi ba solia, Mamu nini come up, Obisa Obibi was a command. Obisa Obibi, command anyhow, and in 1 minute in port. Ya can't foresee a yamo. Ya can't for say, yes, it's Tano, Bibia, not Siaxi, and that's one. When you does know. Because Yenny Pump me, my Yenny Pump with Juma. I saw the game the Kawa, my Yenny Pump with Juma for 22 good years. I know what human being can do. I know what human being can do. Tisa ya kwala na udimechina ye nipa wo adwuma na mechira mo ne ma mo be ya mo no bibi ne obi mfa bibi metwitwiri mu a aya na mo nte ase ebi na da no e ba ya no on say wo wunya adaje e kire ni mu because ya je council ya gire congregation anim na ya announce so if you want to see mama come and pay your counseling 50 cedis 20 cedis we obi a we special bi a ne 100 cedis and no a open announcement. And sorry, phone. We don't tell anybody to switch his or her phone. Why are there 1K more life and so? Phone. We don't see anything at the church. Be open. And think, would the congregation and one also? So Obia person who mama party piano. And I also for mammy piano, Bejo card 50 cedis. And kawai obenya wenim video edwa beto abonten ka onya wenim video e meto abonten by one ma wo kwan ama na ben ana oni udi komo 101 wait eba critical wenim na daso no. These are some of the things oh yes, also you are very right. These are some of the things na me di 2 one ejemesomofo na omonti ase a nothing that Jimmy for me, I say, and I see a manti, Yapam also for 1 gig, and I see a manti, you'll be anti you. These are some of the things I was trying to protect you people because I know what can happen. Minimum bits me and then that honor. But Yamia Dumunti way, and your criminal offense, and your offense, Ubisano, Sika. Also, a Jimmy 4 group have forget she buy lights, pay bills. What must I say? Now me grab me bills and me lights grab me chia crown. And no crowd and none chain. But me catch them praying. Some Obama sorry, ube chia consultation before you see me. What do problem but you pay? And it depends the problem you take to come to many who problem I want to be and don't have chia won't count. Obi beti ya na obi so spiritual niyama no ontua 2 million. Na wo de obi ba no abɔ dam a sa nipa no ni sika obetua chain de otua we no. Eya me do sa video we aba. Ebema asofo nketwa no. They will now understand me. Ye two omfo a omo nkase maame ne haje. Ene de da no. Wo ya wa sole. Ose it's just a question. Are they normal? I don't know what they are trying to do. Taking $500 from some people and somebody receiving 50 cedis for consultation, you rather video the person to come and put it on the social media fully about it. Now, Owusu Bempah jeje na odiweyechi. Okoka yes we penny and a giant temudie or penny I would do kwasiasam, di muasam, di jimisam or fantasia di jimie and then the kwasiam penny at the man. Owusu Bempah, we are waba. O ma me wo no, wa nya bedru wa. Wo ma me nyem no Owusu Bempah, wa nya bedru. Ka wo nsoma me metwa video we enko to social media anopa ya o. Esoro audio na ba abontin no anopa ya. Anopa ya obi ade jojo ne ho no. Ma video me ma sore. Hey, anti video went na J for the be say Owusu Bempah enka ho no. Mo ya muwa ma me wate. Muntie video no.
To actually meet her, to talk to her, you have to pay 50 cedis. I kid you not, 50 cedis. To meet a religious leader, you have to pay 50 cedis.
Oh yes.
What is this? Spiritual. Sometimes spiritual. Most of the time it's physical, but sometimes it's spiritual. Yeah. Okay. I wanted to ask you what we learn what to them to find out what's wrong with you.
No. Unless you bring them out here, it's your the direction and see what is wrong with you.
Yes, no question. Alright, boss. Okay, I'll give it to you. But when can I do that?
If it's ready now, you can bring it, or Tuesday you can bring it.
Okay.
If it's ready, you can bring it. Or Tuesday, you can bring it. Also, mo premo. Can some chain? Wait, more per evidence, no. And some chain. Now, I did 200 cedis, no. A buy. Now me receive sikano. Also, what do you mean? Also, what do you mean? I say, every pastor take money. Look at all these things. Me say you can bring it anytime it's ready. 200 Ghana for us to do your work for you. Abua. Like I'm a solid what's now so air conditions, so lights. Top prepaid, top fuel. Now do what you want, me nyama free. Also, what is all this? Coming to my church, sending some people to my car. May I will not be evil to you. Owusu Bempah, say me say me dem crofo about cancel room. Me tonya me kan ma wudi wo nyina ka. Ye benya hu video abato abonten. Owusu Bempah, kan ma wudi wo mo e wo cancel room. Ke benya video ni nyina abato abonten. But who hear me? I don't think about you. Me je me die. Die ya me dia. Me nim bri obi die o. Dabi. Was it and they don't use top this. Oh, what was it? Owusu Bempah, ultimate farmer selling to form. What back? Me say you have provoked me into the higher authority. Nothing will change my mind. Me can't crack them. Nothing. Was it? Don't mind them. They just jealous of you. Upon Sika Owusu Bempah je krono an wabo covenant seed. You can't sign abroche fosika. Abua we sorry o sementonhwe. But no a confidence trickster. Upon says getting in echi ontimi to proto. Ultimately, see a solid dial. Uncompleted the moon not you. Owusu Bempah, you are very stupid man. Wait to me, for you to send some people to come to my church and video there and give it to your brothers. Only Charles, wait to me, Suyansa. Wait to me, you do true woman. I can't watch Jane. Owusu Bempah, so already you do true. I'm a what Jane at say, I say, true one. Catch it, who brothers, no more. Wait to me to talk. Much me too much. Now Obiama me canceling. Also by a Siama to maintain. Some me canceling. Me kwame shademo. And a Siama kwan shademo. Someone who said mete hono. Mete ho. A Siama to maintain. That is why we do our canceling. So I say, or no na come with phone. A true Bible is anytime you are ready, you can come. Just 2 million. 200 cedis. Just 50 cedis. Ah. Mama mani krewu. Mama Ghana fo krewu se me yafo. Mama Ghana fo mu se me yafo. Mama mani ewu. Mama mani ewu. Mama Ghana fo mu se me yafo. Because the whole agrada, the whole heavyweight, the whole mama parts canceling 50 cedis. Owusu Bempah is the most stupid man I have never met in this world. Why do you mean? For you to do such a thing, are you a fool? What the person be this kind of you are? Kwasia, who this kind of understand your man bloggers? A good giant or the cheer Owusu Bempah or kraman also for ding kraman chair Owusu Bempah. A boy who ready fear also one year ako. A draw what cherry ako. A draw quite Owusu Bempah ko 2 yenti. Yes, only ako chair. Ready, what dear co at check? I'm winning in aya pepe. Owusu Bempah in aya pepe no. A ako check intia. Kwasia. Usumo bia be video me ma sorry. Akoma bloggers. They are moya na nsomo. Where they be true mo? Where they be true mo? Ansomo. Ansomo. Chedi ansomo. Enter free mu. Ene ba ya mo den. Owusu Bempah. Owusu Bempah aka ako check. Owusu Bempah aka ako eke. Papa suyansa wale wopa joba ho ade na wonye aduane ba woni na suyansa na jimie no adoso. Metimi ba dio. Metimi ba bi me meka no ana wasoma nkofo aba masore aba video me counseling room aba video me church premises e dia koma ne bloggers. It's a mum penny for na moya am say minya Owusu Bempah minya Owusu Bempah when jimi a wasa be jimi na me di na temo a hwe go bi afa phone amfre me hwe go bi afa phone amfre me or say I saw this woman I will never I am men delete mama kind o tro no na provoke me delete comments no mama reading na provoke me na me fan di Owusu Bempah tem. Because almost 7 or more trouble, I know the boy, Mammy Owusu Bempah them. And someone kraman and the brave for bay for when he bradier. Owusu Bempah be woo and the brave coon. I see ya. But me, I bet you I was sorry, there will be 50 million, 100 million showers. So they are there. A poor fruit, honorable can get poor babies cash out and they are there. And penny for me, I was sorry them. Babies cash out and they are there. A poor Ninny will be any very well. Sa azan commission and draw commission and draw ni azan commission. I want to show more. I'm about to tell you, Musika Maudiano. Me, many million. Many sodia me wo. Me many a sodia me wo. It's upon penny for a big was sorry. Vice President for a big was sorry. MP for a bow sorry. A Musika one more the money mu azan. And they are throw and come set. I'm the morning when in so 50 cedis. I can be to your consultation. And it's what we chat. And the amount of bloggers. I said, I'm on family trouble. Where am I? Where am I? Wait, it will not do anything to me. Because I get secrets. Every pastor do some. And then Ghana so for their own tongue, you know, what the covenant seed. They want the covenant seed or torn sticker. Oton the obia what you are. So nobody is perfect. A people told book. A people told book. I said, give it to them. I feel you rough. What was here? A people told book. Obia what cry on first with Gini Sika. There was a time in free UK bar. Me call UK. Me buy and me call solibi. So for the woman, you got to say, me share me bag, you must see can you know puppets and so. Ya missing me share me see can you know puppets so. Me share go so. Sabe me free US aba. Now I UK. Now realm of pounds and near the me share go so. And I pounds. So UK no money pounds. Me share go puppets and so. And for real was offering. Me to her man to offering because say ya missing me share me see can you puppets so. Na nyame mama hye ni nyina gu pocket so na wo ye na asem meto offering a me go fa sika foforo fru ma me twam na me fa meto offering that day say na me respect sa sofo no sofo kase pa that day and me hu say asofo ni nyina ya koromfo from A to Z obi ya koromfo obi a wo kwan ofa so odididi obi a wo kwan ofa so odididi na mama oje dollars. Now me make me consultation 50 cedis. Onyeli wa mabrowa. Me pa me one sam. Me sha me one quarter. Me me consultation 50 cedis, 100 cedis, 20 cedis. Now what to me ask for man for say ye me video. Oh. Owusu Bempah when ni bra no I was so toto. When ni bra level no. I was your voice and review.
You actually need her. You talk to her. You have to pay 50 cedis.
Oh, yes.
I kid you not. 50 cedis to meet a religious leader, you have to pay 50 cedis.
Oh, yeah. You pay. Before I met to us, one video no. Also, yeah, Tonyum. So for us, for 1 gig should be concentrate on the church, you know. Yeah, Tonyum. Where just a young point. Yeah, no one is perfect. Where just a young point you. And a quabrania chum. And do a cojinan chain. And a old revenue. I will abraya Tonyum. A pastor, you have to be serious. One man will be over so get chow. And I already na o video. Na o video. Ya can't ya bre. Ya interview. Mo video ya. And no be na bachelor must have my men sama all canon. Ya befa. And no any pani mistake na o punish the kakra bi na obi ntiase and agrada apamoni nia. And these are some of the things as a pastor. Yeah, sorry. You allow yourself for church member to call you, interview you. Only and you're born in a see where you see me and you say, but only a see. Me obey me manumusam. Obey see a manumusam. Onya. Say no be probia samayano bintiase. I see a man in a congregation him. I'm my friends who be some all for you. Also, you are on point. Yeah, Tonum, yeah, sorry. As a pastor, you allow yourself for someone to call you and interview you. Wait, I am a criminal and yeah, one bachelor. Yam poyo, and yes, I am pumping water, be behind them. Let's see. I call back Frawono. I call back Frawono. Catch him, sir. What's massy? Bibia ya wa biano ya be ana hose to the maame fa hono nsi e hono ya back door and then omo beta me nsem bi ase to maame fa osofo 1 gig into ho I say Agra, you need to be careful because they hate you too much. Hey, Owusu Bempah, oh, what all this? Why all this? For you to send people to my church? Everything. You
actually need her. You talk to her, you have to pay 50 cedis. I I kid you not. 50 cities to meet a religious leader.
Also for 1 gig side in India. Me the back door. Me the back door. Now we're going back door. On one he make a mistake. Me the back door. Matthias here pa. Me the back door. Oh, say no na me ne edinya sa small understanding no. Sa congregation komo na o favor congregation. Oh do my. When to the siama ka kira mo say wurade. Mese Sunday asori be yede. Someone when I got the biao but I am there. Say adie we a chonfoni and the achrew. Also every day I gather all because jealousy. I too much. Too much.
You actually need her. You talk to her. You have to pay 50 cedis. I kid you not. 50 cedis to meet a religious leader. You have to pay 50 cedis. What is this?
Anna, also they don't need to talk to anyone. I said, well, okay, I better say one yet. To me, mean can't be brave. And you know, I saw for mammy. Obi bisa wasam, o se tena se, maame ne beba. Obi bisa wasam, maame ne beba. Come maame ne ho, wasam we makankan. So the back what you need to say no. Nyam na me kan kire obi em. Yan koye nim. Mo dia mon ti ase. Me ma ye nipa ho adwuma for 22 good years. Na me metena so tom for 20 years. One no nya me ho asam kan. One nya me video ba mo say, "Onya me." Because I am very smarter than your smartness. Unyame. Sha, mediantia counseling wa omobano. Yeye bibia open. Kame counseling. Kame ma unfa phone ho. By sorry ho, you can bring your phone to the counseling room. Yeye phone o. Wait, I don't know that you're smart. Any phone by you, Debbie. Obi enim say, me counseling room. Ultimately the phone e raw. Because I did me ye piano and your offense. Eti me nsheshamra, some men for phone ha, men ye say, Debbie, I am one hour pay. So you can bring your phone, talk to me. If you have your problem, I charge you. If you are ready, you pay for me to do your work for you. So I am not going to give you instructions. Say, men for phone ma. Barbara me wa busum fie no. Wo enter compound one, wo phone kwem ewura the premises. Me come crachel. Me abra me wa busum fie no. Me compound. Wo nya pake wo car say wom. Wo mobile phone enye dwuma. Abusum fie. Wo wura me compound no so say wo mobile phone enye dwuma. Because ya wade bia ye de share from electricity ya connect electricity. When you enter one phone network na teko. Ete me no, sorry no, me di akoma pa. What I say? Me di akoma pa. Any solid papa. Say me yenye no juma papa. Ete no, baby no, you have your phone. You not switch off your phone. You not do anything. You not do anything. Ete we don't tell you say do move phone. And no man only has a chance. And yes, I can see a video with you. Because one sorry them country will be said, oh no uniform. No. It's not logic. And we are not doing any bad thing there. It's the incident so we'll be doing uniform. Oh, they will hear. Over counseling room. Yeah, my own phone. Yeah, in phone. Because yeah, deep bonnet. I want to know what problem. And I have my license and the church has been registered. The church has been registered and I have my license and my certificate to practice as a pastor or a spiritual leader. So if you have your problem, you come, I charge you before I do the work for you. It's a one say, my child, na me be you said do move phone. No. Exciting me, I'm going to try. I'm going to there is no need. Owusu Bempah is doing more than what I'm doing. Owusu Bempah is taking $500 for covenant seed. Bakrono, real crofo, ejim crofo sika. Miami sister Ketwa. I will free South Africa. Owusu Bempah in covenant seed $500. Oriano, or some man Sunday $3,000 at the brand. Owusu Bempah. I know what's me. I will catch Owusu Bempah so I want to chrono. You were a fool. What Jimmy Dodo, when you brand the Dodo, and you brano, are you too much? Also, mama part, let your security be anywhere, any baby. I'm going to go train petty. I'm a family show. Also, I pay. Mungo train petty. Now, I'm a family show. And no, and they have big news. And you yo, where you more grown to how? Me catch them more grown to how? Mungo train petty. I'm a family show. And no, they have big news. Now, you have so many pa. Yes, send pa be go solid. Yes, so many pa be video no. Owusu Bempah, I nyame you. Go train petty. Na fa be show. Na me, sama sorry no. Any hon ne. Owusu Bempah so sorry any hon ne. Because when you so fun chairman. When you prophetess and chairman. Me nyame bia mani chairman. Me wani suade hunu chairman. Nyame ama me tumi chairman. Me sham komo eba mu chairman. Wo ya makwala. Sunsumu, also about we am a boy. Tis a million radiama to me, no. If my church and Tenasia, also about also was or in Vasoni so. Aquasam puff was or in one, who said chiefly mam and come, a ton and cheer, a copacho. But so one no more Jim or mere, no more Jimmy, and on Mobama who Bempah, I saw him come. On more Jim or mere, no more Jimmy. And on Bema wo wa show mu nkom no ma giedi wo ya kwase ama me wate wo kankan satwe wo fi Owusu Bempah wo fi minni wonu wechi mi wate wechi mi suenyansa sa chi mi somewhere abaye fa so be no veso ya mo di ahonto wa ye jaw life ma wa ahonto ana pai no pani bia frɛ me bakudos. I can catch on my say, Owusu Bempah, and Tokano, why I can cry one night, any idea, now audio snow de bayano, and pennyphobia mudi woman. Eh, God will punish Owusu Bempah. God will punish Owusu Bempah. Only chasri. Ate. And pennyphobia, among pennyphobia Juma, shaki, credibility, shaki. And a penny bar frame in Bakudos, a catcher me. So I'm a pamit show. Audio subinin pennyphobia dino, almost reme. Quasia. Na me da sole yanemi, ya de niame kageme. Sa wo was suma will be, abba me ma sole, abe chat video. Sa me jik consultation 50 cents. Quasia na kamenye den. Kamenye he. Me ye 50, mume gumija, me je 100. Me je 100 cents, mume gumija. Umejimi gumija. Siya. Natin ayo ye dijao. Ayo ya ye dijao. Mi wia cancel ya na ye je yankwa me video ye me post wa mama hwebi. Ye dijao. Aboa badwamfu kwasia mpani krofo hu fi jalefo nifraye ni ho kankan be ma fon ati asole nipa 20 adi o ma wo mu nyina asi ama sole na gu aboa na tin na no Owusu Bempah mu nyina mu gina one scale Owusu Bempah wa sole na be gu me ka kira o e be gu ya de praye aye ni chie dwale pra sole dem ho e wo Yesu di mu woni brade wo ya bronsam Ghana so fo nyina bronsam e ni Owusu Bempah wo be gu wa bra wo mra nso ye wo be pro when I na pro no pro tete na usuo fru na wo me fa Owusu Bempah nya me be chia uka nya me obe chia uka wo ye beri ma bon sama uti o my Ghana mu abeye adokoro deliver yourself. If you are a man of God, you are stupid prophet, deliver yourself. Ojojo nchie kana baiba Abua edidiako. So from one ne spiritual man say obediako che. Akot me free pray ko to ako all because of akot che kakra obedinti. Kwasiampani. Na e kana perifo bi gina baby say Johnny life man. She Jimmy sama obabedi. Asa nkrofo be gumi me masole. Abetwa video akoma the bloggers. Ono de o to me say the bloggers be di matem. Ba me de ni to me say be di matem. Me di Owusu Bempah tema no pa wie numre. Mo me fa me nkoto nsawam. I will come back and insult Owusu Bempah. Mo na mu bu na me mbu no. Obia wade ne wura Bia will never come to power. Me cannot crash na mo ne. Obia wade ne wura ashe Owusu Bempah mu will never come to power. Opa ne mo the dates. Wasia we to omaga na mu di bone ani bre ni chimie e wo omaga na mu. Mo so na kwasia mpani we ya be gina say ono ni bufu a omaga na bufu e ya bone na obedi asha omai no. Ne bone fu a omai ni bufu no e ya bone e no. Asia mpani abua we e to wo do fa me no so nyai. Abua we to omaga na mu di kwasia sam. To be just on the bufu or my bufu. I don't mind that Owusu Bempah. Owusu Bempah, I'm a check. Only chancery. Mr. Penny be a beru. Obet you Owusu Bempah was ready. You will never come to power. You're from evangelist mama parts. You will never come to power. Mopa mama tamen koboma senium. Mama tamen koboma senium. Who is Owusu Bempah in this country? Shimmy forward, what else is happening? Oh, I just afraid. Froby back on for when I said, oh, my son was a network. Was Siampany wait to my gun, Jimmy no side, Jimmy no home. Oh, free Evang. Yet you Owusu Bempah, but what's not a precedent? What's not precedent? So, was Sia wait to be a job of this Obeku IGP. Now, a mamu penny for now, what's one of my channel. I want to be one or answer. Say, Obe company for now when you money no motion. When I'm Owusu Bempah, oh, I for one get to send a wife and a friend to do other or semi program. Ah, and I know what was here? Jimmy forward to a my gun. Dim was some papa. Yes, said Juma, you go to Professor Cassin. Flo be back on one far, as I won't say Bejai.
You actually need her. You talk to her, you have to pay 50 cedis. I kid you not, 50 cedis. To meet a religious leader, you have to pay 50 cedis. What is this? You have to pay 50 cedis. What is this? You actually